What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we have one of the best upgrades from Boost Auto Parts for your tow mirrors. We are doing sequential switchbacks on our tow mirrors. This is something you see on high-end sports cars. Now Boost Auto offers it for your 2015 plus mirrors on your Duramax. If you guys want to get yourself a set of these, make sure you click the link in this description. That's going to take you right over to Boost Auto Parts website to get your very own set of sequential switchback turn signals for your tow mirrors. Before I show you how easy it is to install these, let me show you exactly what these look like.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural gold, not a piece.
Here in just a second, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these on your tow mirrors. This is a nasty upgrade. Get over to Boost Auto Parts right now. Get yourself a set of these. Really not that expensive, and it is worth it. All right, guys, first thing we need to do is pop off this glass. So what you want to do is do the bottom first. You kind of want to dig your fingers in here and just pull this off very carefully. You just want to dig your fingers as far as you can into these things. Just pop them off just gently. Just kind of work your way around. Perfect. See, that's not too bad. All right, now we're going to take off our turn signal wiring and then our heating wiring. So your Boost mirrors are going to have 4 different screws, 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top. We're going to take those out. We can get this cover off, and then we'll be able to access the switchback turn signal. This cover should pop right off. I need to angle this up a little bit, get it out of the way. So we now just unplug your reverse light here, and this will come right off. You can see this wiring here. We can push it aside, and now we have these 2 Phillips screws to get to the turn signal. Yeah, so what you want to do is extend your mirror a little bit. It's going to loosen everything up, and then you'll be able to push this plastic forward a little bit and kind of slide this out of place. Before we get this out, you're going to want to unplug this clip in here. So this, remember where this goes. We are going to need to plug in the new harness into that. Easy as that. All right, guys, you can see the sequential switchback looks exactly the same. All that's different are the lights on the inside, and then it's going to come with this harness. And what they told me is you cannot do this without this harness, so make sure you plug this harness in. Mine already came plugged in, so they said it's pretty much dummy proof, but they made it dummy proof for me because it was already plugged in. So we need to slide this in here like this, and then get this harness through this hole, and then we'll plug it into that. All right, the new sequential switchback is in, and we got this harness sticking out. So we're going to take the plug that plugged into our last set, obviously, and just push it into there. And then we got to make sure we clip the right wiring in to the reverse light and the turn signal and heating element when it goes back together. You can see these don't look any different, but I am so excited. Let's get this plastic off before we tighten everything. This is like the best part right here, where you take off that plastic, make it look brand new. These things are going to be sick on the Nasty Nate Duramax. All right, now that we got everything back together, we can just plug this stuff back in, put the glass back on. Should be pretty easy. Let's see. Yep, snaps right back in. And then we can do the bottom. Something that's really cool about these guys is they sell replacement glass if you break it or break any clips or whatever. If you do break some clips, it still goes back on, and I think my other one has a broken clip and it works fine. So you should be good there. Now let's see if these things work. I cannot wait. All right guys, got these things cleaned up. I got to do the other side. I want to test these right now. I cannot wait to see what they look like. And then we'll wait till it gets dark out and show you guys everything. All right, so running light should be on. That will be the white. Now let's see what happens. Oh my God, that looks sick. I don't know if you can see in the video, but that looks amazing. Oh my God. Boost Auto Parts, you killed it with these. This is nasty. Guys, the sequential switchbacks on these mirrors are absolutely nasty. Huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts. Click the link in the description of this video to get yourself a set of these. These are the coolest turn signals you can have on these mirrors, hands down. Switchbacks and the sequential going back and forth. Absolute perfect touch to the Duramax. Make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate. We'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit.